Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at the 2026 Qixing RV, a motorhome that is quickly gaining attention for its smart use of space, modern features, and luxury-focused design. Qixing has been steadily improving its reputation in the RV world, and the 2026 model clearly shows how far the brand has come. This RV is designed for travelers who want comfort, efficiency, and a premium feel without unnecessary complexity, making it ideal for long road trips, family adventures, and full-time RV living. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Qixing RV presents a clean and modern design that feels both aerodynamic and durable. The body construction uses high-strength materials that not only improve safety but also help with insulation and noise reduction. The smooth lines and carefully placed storage compartments make the RV look sleek while staying highly practical. Large exterior storage bays allow you to carry camping gear, luggage, tools, and outdoor furniture without cluttering the interior. The powered awning creates an instant outdoor living space, perfect for relaxing evenings or roadside breaks. As we step inside, the first thing you notice is how open and spacious the interior feels. Qixing has done an excellent job of maximizing usable space through smart layout planning. The ceiling height feels generous, creating an airy atmosphere that prevents the interior from feeling cramped. Large windows allow natural light to flood the cabin during the day, while blackout shades ensure privacy and comfort at night. The overall color palette is calm and modern, blending soft tones with premium finishes. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Comfortable seating options include a plush sofa and additional lounge seating that can easily accommodate guests or family members. The sofa often converts into an extra sleeping space, making the RV flexible for overnight visitors. A large smart TV is positioned for easy viewing from multiple angles, paired with a high-quality sound system that enhances movie nights or music playback. Multiple USB ports and power outlets are conveniently placed throughout the living area to keep devices charged. Moving into the kitchen, the 2026 Qixing RV continues to impress with its functional yet stylish setup. The kitchen features solid countertops that provide ample space for food preparation. A multi-burner cooktop allows you to prepare full meals just like at home, while the microwave and oven combination adds even more versatility. Storage cabinets are thoughtfully designed with soft close mechanisms, ensuring durability and quiet operation while traveling. The refrigerator is large enough to store groceries for extended trips, making long-distance travel more convenient and less dependent on frequent stops. The dining area is seamlessly integrated into the layout, often featuring a convertible dinette that can be adjusted for meals, work, or relaxation. This space can double as a workspace, making it perfect for remote work or trip planning. The table is sturdy and well positioned, while the seating remains comfortable even during longer use. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the 2026 Qixing RV truly stands out. The main bedroom offers a comfortable bed with quality mattress support, ensuring restful sleep after long travel days. Storage options around the bed include overhead cabinets, wardrobes, and under-bed compartments, allowing you to organize clothing and personal items efficiently. The bedroom layout prioritizes privacy and comfort, making it feel like a true retreat rather than just a sleeping area. The bathroom is another highlight of this RV. It features a modern and clean design with a separate shower area, providing enough space to move comfortably. The toilet and sink are positioned thoughtfully to maximize usability. High-quality fixtures and good ventilation ensure a pleasant experience, even during extended trips. Hot water availability and efficient water management systems make daily routines smooth and stress-free. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Qixing RV is its attention to technology and convenience. The control panel allows easy management of lighting, climate control, and power systems. Energy-efficient LED lighting is used throughout the interior, reducing power consumption while maintaining excellent brightness. Climate control systems ensure comfort in both hot and cold weather, making the RV suitable for year-round travel. Safety and build quality are also key strengths of this model. The RV is equipped with modern safety features that enhance driving confidence and passenger protection. Stability systems and reliable braking performance contribute to a smooth driving experience, even on longer journeys or uneven roads. Qixing has clearly focused on delivering a balanced combination of comfort and reliability. Overall, the 2026 Qixing RV is an excellent choice for travelers who want a well-designed motorhome with smart space utilization and modern features. It delivers a premium living experience while remaining practical and user-friendly. Whether you are planning weekend getaways or long-term adventures, this RV offers the comfort, storage, and functionality needed to make every trip enjoyable.